I just got to Marina Mall, about to go in Ghana's fastest F80 M3. My days, this is loud. It's gone quiet. So welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna have a very nice time in this red F80 M3. As you know, this is the S55 B30, and I'm here with.
My car is dead.
Oh, don't worry.
Still diagnosing.
We're still gonna have a very good time in the car. And this is Wolf, owner of Wolf Auto Works. If you haven't heard of them, check them out on where.
TikTok, Instagram, and then on Snapchat, Dr. Wolf 95.
Dr. Wolf 95. You heard that. So we're going to go out in this lovely F80 M3. Mental. This car is so easy to slide.
Well,
I actually just remembered how this car moves.
this is stock now, like stock.
Oh, yeah, you mentioned that you're taking the pops off.
Yep.
Just remember that your intakes sound really good as well.
Oh, you know, so the magnetic shifters.
Oh, you got the magnetic shifters.
Yeah.
I've been thinking.
So fucking good.
I've been thinking of having that to my car as an add-on, but Charlie,
It makes a lot of sense, bro.
it does. Like I was hearing the click, but then it wasn't clicking.
4 months GT3. If you have one thing in common, they have three.
Charlie.
M3, GT3.
Carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber. Oh, lovely. Lovely.
Wow,
Lovely.
this car.
My car crossed red. As the saying goes, M is M.
Bro.
M is M. Downshift.
See the way it's rolling.
Yeah.
So I'm doing like a full suspension of
They say car is a car.
car. It's a car.
If you don't understand, it means car is cost.
Car is cost. Next car is extra cost.
Oh man, I thoroughly enjoyed it. I miss being a passenger in a Red Riding Hood,
Bro.
You can really hear the turbo spooling down. The way the turbo spool down on this.
How much?
they bring happiness, so Charlie.
Yeah, man. You lie. All this one be just editing. Oh, where is the 400?
You be greasy.
Charlie.
See how boys make quiet as they carry power. Oh my days.
I'm going to see what I pick up possible.
The car just took off, like, hey.
You guys are missing out to the starlights up there. Starlights.
Green in 3, 2, 1.
I'm far.
The shifts are shifted, man. Charlie, everybody come. You see the M4. Yo, I don't know what this is, but what is going on? Yo, that's a whole filling station takeover, Charlie. Hey. Wow. If I was driving my car and I saw this many bikers, I shall be scared. Where? SQ7. Bloody hell. And it sounds good too. I don't know what exhaust it has on there. Sitting on some sick wheels as well. And we have the F80 M3.
can only get dirty as it gets.
Clean. Yo, this S7 is mad clean.
Checking the only data.
Congratulations.
Thank you, boss.
One reckless. Charlie, how far?
If you have a call,
Everything cool.
Blacko days.
Oh, Charlie, hard. Oh, sorry. Prayer. Say it for the channel. Charlie. Timsintim. Charlie. Nice to meet you, man. And this is the E63. I'm not sure if it's an S, but let's check it. It's an E63, yes. Fam. Today I got Blacko on the channel, so you don't have to watch it. Enjoy it, like the videos, subscribe. Has Blacko mentioned your name before? What's your name?
Mr. Mo,
And what do you have for everybody?
like and comment and subscribe.
Charlie. So that's an F150, guys. And what's up?
Hi, Tim.
Yeah. Hi to you too. I appreciate you watching the videos. What do you have to say to people?
Yeah, they should just keep following the car community and try and bring more cars and let's make it fun.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Can you do a burnout?
I don't get it.
Alright, bro. Safe.